This is the old Cloud Dragon painting by Shonen Suzuki. Wow, this is really beautiful. The ceiling and the light.